what's up, you guys? If you want to get this amazing Halloween look, it's a devil, Illuminati, demon child that she is. It's my sister, by the way, if you haven't known. This is day 5 of 31 Days of Halloween. If you've been keeping up with us, thank you so much. And if you're interested in seeing this iconic look, then stay tuned. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be using a spray-on foundation followed with a powder and doing a high red maroon contour all around her face. The net is just to give her scar look, so they're going to fade as we blend in over the tutorial.
Somebody better answer this, nigga. If you ain't never heard of me, I'm about to show you what the motherfucking anthem is, nigga. Diamonds and treasure, that don't bring me no pleasure. Every day I just wake up saying I could do better. Trying to find me a girl to put her hands in the holes of my sweater. And truth be told, I just pray that this moment lasts me forever. I said, hear my verse, 'cause yeah, they said it, but I said it first. So in a sense,
I'm going to be using tape to make sure the lines are extra sharp. I'm going to do a black eyeshadow and do a cut crease with a white center and the maroon on the outside, and just follow that black under her eye and do the maroon as well to blend it all together. We're going to be using fake eyelashes in this look, individual strips, and then just highlight all around her face as well.
something I'd rather not get into, 'cause I can't put my life inside a pencil when it's something I'd rather not pretend to be able to do. When I ate full of shrooms, curve paint when I paint, when the bass goes boom and the lights go low, when they call it magic, like I'm rocking a cape in the room. Mental patient, escape from the room, now I'm out the basement, headed straight for the moon, and it might be some black shit, but I feel like I'm radioactive. Hear my verse, 'cause yeah, they said it, but I said it first. So in a sense, I gave these niggas birth. That's why my fans in my show screaming, take me to church. Hear my verse, 'cause yeah, they said it, but I said it first. So in a sense, I gave these niggas birth. That's why my fans in my show screaming, take me to church. No suit and tie, but baby, I go to work. Don't do it for.
Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. We went ahead and teased her hair, gave it some volume, added some string. I literally created her top myself, so if you can kind of find an outfit like that, then go for it. We're gonna go ahead and reveal Brianna's face to herself, I guess you can say.
To me. Oh my god. I look like, I don't know. My eyebrows are awful.
Yeah, your eyebrows were a little rough to work with. I didn't know what I was doing. We didn't know what really we were creating at first. I kind of just like went around.
You get rid of the eyebrows, they're like really, I look good.
Well, it looks good
like
with the eyebrows too. Stop. The eyebrows are fucking fine. They're that bad. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching day 5 of 31 Days of Halloween. Hope to see you guys tomorrow. If you've been keeping up, thank you so much. Don't forget to follow Brianna down below. And stay tuned for day 6. Thank you.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh, I forgot about that part.
Promote yourself,
I
bitch.
got the shovel and I got the dirt.